by the family members, and anxiety, stress, and depression were the serious consequences which they often have to face. And thus, we as the youth of today are focusing upon them. Nobody focuses upon them. Everybody are organizing various activities and services for our youth and various age groups, but nobody focuses on this. And now we are here introducing Anandam. Anandam has been designed to help the elderly to Anandam has been designed to help elderly to spend their leisure time in a more vibrant and energetic manner. Here, they can all gather together and meet with their friends, and they can be away from all the sorrows, anxieties, worries, and tensions. And Anandam not only focuses upon their mental well-being, but it also helps them to encourage and remain fit. So some of the value propositions which Anandam basically focuses upon are: firstly, it targets the mental well-being of the elders, as it helps them in encouraging meditation lectures, which would improve their mental well-being. It also helps them in resolving various health issues, as we would make them encourage and participate in various physical activities. It would ultimately improve the lifestyle of the oldies, and it would also decrease negativity and spread positivity and happiness in their lives. We would also help them and teach them to how to use the basic phones and the technology that is available in the market, so that they can communicate with their friends who are passed away and far away from them. And especially, we will also provide them professional assistance if required by them. So some of the key partners which we would mainly require in this are a practitioner of meditation, first aid team, a dance teacher, a physiotherapist, and an event convener who will organize all the events which are mainly conducted for them.
Let's discuss the key activities. The most important activity that is for the well-being of our golden agers is yoga, which will keep them healthy and fit. Trips will be organized after some intervals for fun and joy. Spiritual lectures will be conducted, which will keep them connected with God and will be mind-freshing. Talent show will be organized, in which everyone can show their talent. कुछ वक्त यादों के नाम, नॉस्टैल्जिया, जिसमें सब कुछ अपनी खट्टी मीठी अच्छी बुरी यादें सबसे साझा करेंगे. Creativity encourages them and builds confidence in them. So some creative activities like best out of waste, riddles, etc. will also be conducted. Board games will be played. Some old era and memories will be remembered through movie time. Birthday and anniversary parties will be celebrated to let them feel special on their special occasions. And last but not the least, festival celebrations, which will be done to bring joy, happiness, brightness in their lives.
So now we move to our customer segments. So our main customers are pensioners, non-working people, dependents who are dependent on their family, non-working, pensioners, and retired people. And the various channels through which we can reach to our customers include social media like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and those customers who are not so much active in social media, we have print media like newspaper and pamphlets which we have presented to you. And we can also create websites, portals.
Now, let us take a look on the revenue and the cost structure. Actually, our business is a subscription-based model, so our basic revenue comes from subscription. We can also generate revenue from transportation facility, medical services, personal guidance, etc. Our cost structure includes electricity bill, salary of staff, maintenance, first aid, basic snacking, material for their activities, transportation if required, and some miscellaneous expenses. Now, a broad explanation about the revenue and the cost structure of our group. हम इसमें क्या कहते हैं 3000 पर चार्ज करेंगे पर मेंबर एंड एक ग्रुप में 15 मेंबर से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे विद 2 ग्रुप्स इनिशियली पर डे. इससे हमारा रेवेन्यू 90,000 पर मंथ हो जाएगा, जिसमें हमारे क्या कहते हैं ऑलमोस्ट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस डाल के 45,000 का एक्सपेंस आएगा. और इसमें एक्सपेक्टेड हमारा प्रॉफिट होगा 45,000, विच इज इन स्टार्टिंग वेरी गुड प्रॉफिट. थैंक यू.
if we further look and if we got good response, we would like to expand our business to a great level, and we would enjoy with working with the old age people. And if this profit at this level is enough for us, as a working student, if this profit is much for us to get our pocket money and manage our pocket money for us. And initially, if we grow and if we get good ideas and if we expand, we would like to take this to a next level. And our aim and vision is to make Anandam reach to every locality of India and to make the change the mentality of the modern world where everyone fears of being old, and to make the world true that old age is something which only the lucky ones get. Thank you.
With this profit, you cannot reach all India.
No, there are a lot of Facebook pages which are
You got to increase your profitability. अगर आपने अच्छी सर्विस देनी है तो पैसे भी अच्छे बनने चाहिए.
It's an initial stage, so that's like that we are only talking about here only about 2 groups. If we have got good response, we can get expand and we can manage the 10 groups in each day.
You have to think as an entrepreneur. आपने पॉकेट मनी नहीं बनानी चाहिए. आप अभी बोल रहे थे कि मैंने सिर्फ पॉकेट मनी बनाने के लिए ये रखा. It's not for pocket money. You are coming here as an entrepreneur, not as a part-time work.
सर इसमें 10 ग्रुप्स आएंगे, क्या कहते हैं, एक्सपैंड करेंगे, हर लोकेलिटी में जाएंगे, अलग एक्सपैंड करेंगे, तो उसमें रेवेन्यू भी इंक्रीज होगा. और अगर एक ग्रुप में 10 मेंबर्स भी आएंगे,
अपने माइंड में ये डालना पड़ेगा, ये बिजनेस प्रपोजल है. ये
I was talking about that initial stages it is enough for us to manage our pocket money, and day by day as we expand we can manage it.
But in your expenses, you had forgotten to mention rent. Where you will do all these activities.
We have studied about explicit and implicit cost, so we will take it as an implicit cost, and that does not come in accounting. We will manage our personal resources for this.
Okay, best of luck.
Thank you.